If your home ever feels a little stale, this is my favorite reset the whole room blend. Hi, I'm Tessa from Simply Earth. I tested this blend on a cleaning day, and like a mini experiment, it instantly made the room feel brighter, lighter, and more energized. From this month's box, we're using Energy, Homebody, and Lemon. Let's make it. Add water to your essential oil diffuser according to the diffuser's instructions. Add 2 drops of the Homebody blend. This gives a calm, grounded base. Add 2 drops lemon essential oil for that fresh, clean citrus feel. Add 1 drop energy essential oil blend to lift the whole blend and make it feel crisp. Turn on your diffuser and let it freshen the space. Optional, but super handy, make a master blend so you have a pre-made blend on hand whenever you want to use it. To make it, add 40 drops Homebody, 40 drops lemon, and 20 drops energy to a 5 ml bottle. Then just add a few drops to your diffuser or any other DIYs as desired. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Clean Sweep Diffuser Blend yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. It comes with everything you need to make natural, non-toxic products at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. It smells clean and bright, but not overpowering. Like you just open the windows and let fresh air in. This is my let's do this scent. If you try it, share your blend with #IMadeThis and tag @FromSimplyEarth for a chance to win a $100 Simply Earth gift card. And for more easy DIY recipes, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.